Hey everyone! Welcome back to Neurotech Facts, the place where future meets reality. Today, we're diving into 10 futuristic gadgets that are no longer just science fiction. These are real, practical innovations that you might actually be using in 2025. Let's get into it. 1. Smart AR glasses. AR glasses are getting smarter every year. In 2025, these won't just show you directions. They'll overlay text, translate signs in real time, and even let you attend holographic meetings without a phone or laptop. Companies like Apple, Meta, and Xiaomi are all racing to perfect these. 2. AI personal assistants. Voice assistants will no longer sound robotic. Thanks to advanced language models, your assistant might talk like a human, remember your preferences, and even hold natural conversations. It'll book appointments, reply to texts, and maybe even give you life advice. Cold sweat smile. 3. Foldable phones and tablets. We've already seen foldables, but 2025 is when they'll become mainstream and affordable. Thinner, stronger screens, and foldables that roll, slide, or expand like magic. Your phone and tablet will literally be the same device. 4. Smart rings. Fitness bands are shrinking down to just a ring. Smart rings will track heart rate, oxygen, sleep, steps, and even support contactless payments. And the best part? They're sleek and stylish, no bulky watch needed. 5. Transparent OLED TVs. Imagine a TV that disappears when it's off. That's what transparent OLED displays can do. In 2025, they'll hit homes and stores, blending tech with interior design. You'll literally see through them when they're not playing anything. 6. Drone cameras. Vlogging, travel, even security, all with pocket-sized drones. These drones can auto-follow your face, avoid obstacles, and shoot cinematic videos without you touching a controller. Perfect for content creators and daily use. 7. Rollable displays. Flat screens are boring. The future is rollable. LG and Samsung are already teasing displays that roll out like scrolls. Need a screen? Pull it out. Done watching? Roll it back in your pocket. 8. Wearable air purifiers. With air pollution rising, personal air purifiers are becoming necessary. In 2025, lightweight neckband purifiers will create a bubble of clean air around your face, silently and efficiently. 9. Holographic projectors. We've dreamed of holograms for years. Now, companies are working on small projectors that create 3D holograms in real space. Whether it's gaming, business, or calling, this tech could replace screens entirely. 10. Solar-powered smartwatches. Forget about charging your smartwatch every night. Solar-powered smartwatches will charge through sunlight and even indoor lighting. Eco-friendly, smart, and super convenient. Technology in 2025 won't just be advanced, it'll be accessible. Most of these gadgets are either in testing or already available in premium models. And the best part? You won't need to be a millionaire to own them. So which one are you most excited about? Drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Neurotech Facts for more awesome future tech.